An advanced warehousing system with great barcoding capabilities is essential to any company that holds a lot of inventory, whether it's raw materials, finished goods, fresh, or frozen. But just because a system is advanced doesn't mean it has to be hard to use, and that's where VistaTrac comes in. With VistaTrac, it's as easy as if it moves, scan it. You can transfer product between warehouses, you can scan cases or scan pallets, you can utilize location barcodes so that you can scan a location and then transfer product to that specific pallet slot. You can also scan a location barcode to see the inventory of that location right on the mobile gun. VistaTrac has great cycle counting features. You can cycle count by item, by warehouse, or by location. We have a transfers video and a cycle count video that you should watch if you're interested in learning more about those features. The bottom line is when you start VistaTracking your products, you're going to be able to stop guessing what you have and start knowing what you have and where it is, and also who put it there. Give us a call today, schedule a demo so you can learn how our warehousing capabilities will help you improve your business.